We're doing it now.
No.
Come on, do it.
God, no.
Please.
Do what?
Jay, do it.
We made this thing a long time ago when we were kids. It was called the night before. It was the night before Christmas, but it's our version of the night before Christmas.
It's Kern Core remix. Alright, do it. Come on.
Oh God.
Come on.
Alright.
With gunshots in the background.
Oh my God, really? Mike, turn down.
Alright, come on.
Oh God. I don't want to get shot for this. But...
Come on! We are in the ghetto.
Yeah, I know, but if somebody sees this, they're going to be like, oh my God.
Come on, everybody in the ghetto can afford computers. Somebody's going to see it. Just say it. Come on.
Okay. So the night before Christmas, now this Kern Court, now a butter trooper shooting, not even for sport. The Christmas tree lights were thrown on the windows without care as they dreamt of the money from welfare.
She has welfare.
Shut up.
Where my food is?
And suddenly a noise was throbbed. I got my gun because I was being robbed. I shot with a clatter. The guy fell off the ladder. He wasn't all right, so he limped off into the night. I'm kind of sleepy, but I'm kind of tired. But before I go to sleep, I gotta say the security here is cheap. Merry Christmas to all, except that limping creep.
And that is what we do for Christmas. Thank you very much.